Okay, this is the second game. It's a hide and seek. Usually put smaller treats in there. He knows how it works. Give me a second, man. Alright, so you put the little cups, obviously over the ones that have the treat, but a few that don't. This is my favorite to watch him do, because he pretty much just knocks everything over. Alright, let's go, man. Can you sit? Good boy. Find your treat. There it is. No, nothing in there. Ah! You got those for free. Lucky duck. Alright. There's treats in that one. In the back. Let's see if it sees it. No? You found it. There they are. Alright, that's the hide and seek one. Good job, dude.